comes down to this. I got Miami winning. So intercepted. Yes, Miami's gonna. I think that's got to be an interception, dude. Yep, interception. Interception. Miami wins. Oh my gosh, that was close, guys. That was close. You know, yeah, but Miami. I needed them to win. Wait. What? How can you? What? Wait, no. So I have Miami money line in my parlay, and touchdown. He didn't catch that ball's moving. How is that a touchdown? No. There's no what? No way. No way. No way. That ball looked like, if anything, it was intercepted, right? Oh my God. Was that ball not intercepted? There's the ball. It's literally moving right there. It's moving. It's moving, and if anything, he may have been on a body. There's no way you can call this a touchdown. No way. Nah, dude. They'll review it, but I don't know. It should be incomplete, but I think they're going to make it stands. I think they're going to make it freaking stands. It should be incomplete. Yeah. Looks like it was picked. There is no firm control. He didn't survive the ground. And if anything, it could have been intercepted. What? And if anything, he may have been on a body. You're not going to look at it in that angle. This is the angle you want right here. Here it is. That football, you can't tell from that angle. It looks incomplete, but it might be tough to overturn. Oh my gosh. Bet's gonna lose. Bet's gonna freaking lose. Gonna be bet lost again. You gotta be kidding me. I'm deflated. It's incomplete, but it's gonna be stands. That's my luck. It's gonna be stands. That's the thing. I think it's clear and obvious because it's literally moving. But it's good. They're gonna say it's incomplete, not incomplete. Virginia Tech's gonna win. But why would Lance Goodry rush for Lance Goodry? Why would you freaking rush for? Fucking rush for? You fucking kidding me, dude? You're fucking. Oh my gosh! Here we go. See, we're on the field. It's gonna be stands. Oh my God! No way! They reversed it! They reversed it! You've got to be kidding me! They reversed it! The bet won! The fucking bet won! Okay, so the bet doesn't win it. I need Rutgers. I have Rutgers Washington under 55.5. Under 55.5 in Rutgers Washington. And I hope that doesn't go to overtime. The bet wins. The bet wins. Oh my gosh. They actually made the right call. You see these freaking people. You see these freaking replays like the call stand, when there's clearly obvious evidence to overturn it. And they finally do. I'm sorry, Virginia Tech, but that ball was incomplete. And you know it as well as I do. What a game by Cam Ward to come back in that game. Oh my gosh. I'm sweating right now. Holy shit. I am sweating, guys. They called that a freaking incomplete pass. Game over. Game is freaking over. Miami wins. Oh my gosh.